In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your phone number from Facebook search. This will stop random people from finding your profile using your phone number, okay? This updated Facebook privacy setting will help you protect your personal information, okay? Make sure to watch till the end for a bonus privacy tip you didn't know about, okay? Let's get started. Now, after logging into your Facebook account, click on the profile picture to the right, okay? Now, click on the gear icon to locate settings. Now, under settings and privacy, you will see tools and resources, then preferences, then the account center. What you want to click on here is the account center. Tap on it. Then scroll down. Now click on personal details. Okay. Now you will see your personal details. Now under contact info, just click on the arrow to the right. Then you will see your phone number. Click on your phone number. Now, you can decide to delete your phone number or click on manage visibility. Currently, the phone number is publicly available. What I want to do now is just change the visibility of the phone number. Just a minute. Now click on only me. By doing this, you'll be the only person able to see your phone number on Facebook. So any random search on Facebook using your phone number will not reveal your actual profile, okay?